Okay, tentu UFC 3166A main event semi merep le umale fight ta wan dang pol ni ke an pick min hakan zon halamo ho cha an team ho cha ho ni atai lai mi prediction an to mi an zup mi an team min hakan kam zon halamo okay, let's start. Okay, hi pa hi chama hil nan thai la ka mo pa he fighter UFC fighter se former UFC champion Raksibal ka mo
and they make I think they make good adjustments. So do I think it'll be exactly the same? No. But Marab is a tough puzzle, bro.
okay, Marab
That's a tall task to ask. You know, and he's getting better.
Marab
He's constantly growing, and he's growing comfortable as a champion. So, you know, I think it'd be difficult to wrestle him off that mountain.
I think the result will
okay hi pa he Cameron si tuzing UFC final tuzing bakka UFC final I try a decision itai na mo mi si ka ban zon halamo tuzing UFC final akan I try itai na mo mi si okay Cameron te ho 7 team Marab
Billy will beat him. I don't think so that Sugar improved his skills too much. So the result will be the same. The Marab will make him die, take him down and finish the fight.
I'm gonna give it to Marab.
okay Marab long ten team go hi pa jong he tuzing UFC final ya trove mi si hi pa jong he ke David Killian hi atu nai ve ni tai mi ke se Cameron ni atai mi pa ka se mi Cameron an try Cameron division decision ni tai mi si ama jong ni kan merep ka rak team ve tarik mo kai kam ban kal chan lai
Merab, I am big fan.
Merab de ko
Dvalishvili, and I think win this fight.
I'm gonna be
okay
objective. I'm an O'Malley fan, and Marab is my homie. But based on how the last fight went, I think they both have the ability to beat each other. But I'm gonna go.
what away champion what away trove mi si pa he
I don't.
okayก็ฮิตุจิงอัดไว้ส่งไปให้ตุจิงเขาอยู่ไฟน่ะส่งไปมีสิพาดองนี่เห็นมาเร็บอัดทิมไปร้องคันนักบักซัมมิชันเนี่ยส่งให้ไปก็จุบงานนะเต็นตุจิงค่ะนะเต็นตุจิงค่ะร้องวันนักบักซัมมิชันเนี่ยส่ง
O'Malley could always knock him out. Because O'Malley's like he's deadly accurate. But I don't think O'Malley's gonna be able to make the adjustments in the short amount of time that he's had to deal with the wrestling of him.
okay มาเร็บก็wrestling ทัดตรงอาการพบนี่กันอันดีเจ้ามีสิที่ปาดองนี่เห็นมาเร็บจุบเขาไอ้ที่กาเห็นที่กาเตอันหักเตที่กาเห็นไอ้กาเตเห็นมาเร็บที่อัจฉริยะมาเร็บสิตั้งให้โอมาเลสิมาเร็บเค17บักนี่อันมักอันหูเคตั้งให้โอมาเลวันลองนี่หูที่ปาดองให้ตุจิงเวนี่รามิกนี่ไปอินไตสมิชิงรองขันอัตไตนี่ปาสิตุจิงบักค่ะ
Morale all that dangerous. I don't think he's gonna hurt him a whole lot because he didn't last time. But he's gonna have a lot of control time, and that's gonna be hard for O'Malley to do something about.
I think Marab all day. I think he's too much.
Okay.
He's just more
Dustin Jacobi hi pa jong he tuzing ka ju final ya trove mi si hi pa he pa jong he asung ve mi si he tin honu cha tai kan ti sia chen Vậy đi tới Bruno Lopez ni TKO in tay ni pasi hi pa he tu jing bak kha UFC fight night a pa don ni me rep a team ve thiam
Rounded. I think Merab's gonna do it again.
Okay.
He
grab a green
controlled the cage so good. Like
my rep ti ve thiam
distance control and then his in and out and the wrestling. Sean, he always has like when he hurt Merab with that like teep at the end of the fight when over. So there's always like he always has a striker shot. There's always like it only takes one shot and everything can change. But I think Merab's gonna just go ahead and kind of do the same thing.
Merab
my rep a team ve thiam it the Santos
be just like
Moros Santos si tu jing kai thoi ma ka bul ta to la Toro lo
the last fight. He's gonna wrestle, and that's how I see this fight going.
I think Merab's gonna win. I think
Malakon
Merab is really, really good, man. And he
Mara is very good wrestling kha tha to marap ke wrestling tha tu ma kan ja pin ken marap ni ken atu umale hi a control kho la tin ki anjup ko jo e lapi ni ken marap ke anjup ve ko umale azup mi no sa tampi ve ko wa
made such a statement with his fights, man. And he did the same against Sean the first time.
Man,
there is a series hi pa jong he tu jing kha just find I drop to thiam mi asung ma tai ma kha okay atai tu jing kha atai ve decision nin tai decision ong mi se tu jing ka decision atai tu se
adjustments that Sean's gonna make, and but it's kind of hard. I trained at Syndicate for a week too, man. Those guys are really cool, and I like Merab as a fighter. He came into the UFC too. I think did he lose his first 2 fights, or he lost?
Yeah,
Maybe
it was
two
a
of his
weird
first
start.
3.
Yeah, it was a weird start. I think one was a bad decision, and then the other one was like that weird Ricky Simone fight where Simone like finished
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, so it'll be interesting to see the adjustments, man. MMA it's so hard to actually make picks. I'm sure you know as well as anybody. I've had even on the regional scene, right? I've had 2 guys that I've trained with both of them, and I'd be like, man, for sure this one guy's gonna win, then the other guy wins. So it's tough to pick fights, but I guess I would lean Merab on that one.
cái dòng merap ka zum merap tai ko la ti merap ni hen decision in ma tai la submission ma tai la tin ka zum ko omale ni tai sia chun knock out ma TKO ma tin tai ti la see you next week ya kana dong na lai line tha ta tak in Telegram ma like ko vun tha lai la next week ya kana dong na lai bye bye